Welcome to Talaris University. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use Vysor, a third-party application to share your handheld screen during a demonstration. Now, we assume in this video that you have an Android device. I'm displaying mine on the right-hand side of my screen using AnyDesk. This could be the XPID 100 or the XPID 200, or if you purchased a license, possibly a custom device of your choice. Now, to install Vysor, simply go to a browser of your choosing. Go to Vysor.io, hit download, and select the system version. In my case, I'm using Windows. And this should initiate the download. Now, to save time, I already have mine installed on my machine. So if you see the Vysor version download in your files, just simply double click. And in just a few seconds, Vysor should install. Now, we also assume in this video that you have your USB cable, which will be used to connect your device to the machine. So please keep that ready. We'll need that shortly. Now, Vysor is launched and your device is ready. We now need to configure the device to allow this sort of connection. Please note that the USB debugging feature and the developer options which we'll be enabling are very dangerous to your device if used in a production environment. We do not advise that you use this in a production environment since it opens your devices to OS changes and data leaks. Now, to enable USB debugging, go to the Android device, go to Settings, scroll down to the bottom, select About, scroll down again to the bottom, and select Build Number. You need to click that 7 times. You should see a message that says you are now a developer. Now go back into the settings, select System, expand the advanced options, select Developer Options, scroll down, and enable USB debugging. If you see a warning message that comes up, just click OK. And you should now have access to connect this device using Vysor. So now let's connect our device using the USB cable. You need to click Allow. If you're using this device frequently for demos, you can always allow this from your computer, but we recommend that you allow this every time you connect. Once you do that, you should see your device displayed on the Vysor application. Hit the play button. And you can now use and display your device using Vysor. The Vysor allows you to use all the buttons of your device. You can operate your device freely from the Vysor application, and this allows you to display XPressEntry on the device during your demos very neatly. We hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please reach out to us at helpdesk@talaris.com for any technical queries or sales@talaris.com for any product inquiries. Thank you.